Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be all about the brand new Apple TV 4K. Now I gotta admit right off the bat, it's really not that much of an upgrade compared to the last Apple TV 4K, but I just needed one, so I was like, oh, you know, I might as well get the new one. And here it is. It just came in the mail today. Obviously, the very noticeable difference is the brand new Siri Remote. I got mine in 64 gigs of storage just because the price difference between the two options wasn't really that much, so I decided to just get a little bit more just in case. Now the brand new Apple TV 4K is rocking the A12 Bionic chip. It comes in two different storage options, which is the 32 or 64. The 32 gigabyte goes for $179 US, and the 64 gig goes for $199. A couple differences between this one and the last generation of Apple TV 4K is that this one actually has HDMI 2.1 versus the old Apple TV 4K is still at 2.0. Another difference with the new Apple TV 4K is that this one will have Wi-Fi 6 connectivity versus Wi-Fi 5 on the old one. And the last difference that I want to mention is that this one is going to have high frame rate Dolby Vision HDR. So if you guys do have a high-end display, this is going to be fantastic and you'll be able to watch content at the best possible quality. Now let's go ahead and unbox and set up the new Apple TV 4K. Alright, so here we go, the Apple TV with the new Siri Remote. On the bottom you can see 4K HDR, and this is the 64 gigabyte model Apple TV 4K. Then on the back they're advertising some streaming services and AirPlay for sharing between devices, and then also a HomePod because it's letting you know that you can connect those for audio. And then the last one is AirPods, where you can actually connect them to the Apple TV in order to listen to whatever you're watching, which is pretty cool. But let's go ahead and open it. Alright, here we go. Open up. Come on. Almost there. There we go. Okay, so here's the Apple TV. It looks pretty much identical to the last gen. Little pull tab here. That looks pretty cool. Apple all in like matte black. There's the top, so you can see it says Apple TV. And there's the ports on the back. So you've got your gigabit Ethernet, and then you've got HDMI, and then your power. Pretty basic stuff. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that they actually don't send you an HDMI cord. So you're going to need to buy one separately. And if you are watching 4K content, then you'll have to buy a 4K HDMI cable. Then you've got your Apple TV paperwork, and then some Apple stickers as well, which is always nice to have, even though I have no idea what people actually put these on, because I probably have like 50 just laying around, but nothing to actually stick them onto. So let me know down below what you guys are putting them on. Next up, we get a 1 meter lightning cable. Now this is for the new Siri Remote because it does charge using lightning, not USB-C just yet. Alright, I'm pretty excited for the new remote here. This is definitely like one of the biggest changes with the Apple TV. That feels really nice, really premium, cold to the touch. Aluminum remote, it actually looks pretty cool. I didn't know how I felt about it just looking at the pictures, but now having it in person, I'm actually kind of impressed. You've got the Siri button on the side now instead of on the front. Pause, play, mute, volume up and down. Another big change was the wheel is back, and it was really cool in the demo where you can actually scrub like this and go through the timeline of whatever you're watching. You've got the power button on the top right, nothing on the left, and then the back is just really plain and simple with the Apple logo. And I gotta say, I'm actually really liking the feel of this remote. Straight edge design, just like all of the new Apple products like the iMac, the iPhone 12s, iPad Pro, and a lot of other products. And I really like it. It's pretty ergonomic. One of the problems that I had with the old remote was that it was really easy to drop, but this definitely gives you a better grip. Then the last thing in the box is just the power cable. But anyways, that's everything that comes in the box. Let's go ahead and set it up. Hello. Okay, press the center button. So I'll do that right now. English. Okay, so I am in Canada. Continue. Automatically set up your Apple TV. Sure. Okay, so now that it's connected to my phone, I definitely want to make sure that there is a password that is required whenever a purchase is made. I live with my two brothers and I do not want them purchasing anything on my account, so let's go to always require. I want to carry over my settings from my phone. I do not have a TV provider, so I'll hit not now. Okay, so this says one home screen on every Apple TV. Keep your apps and home screens up to date on every Apple TV using this iCloud account. Yes, please. Okay, so where's this Apple TV? So this is in Austin's studio, and then this is just for screensavers here, so I'm going to go to automatically download. So app analytics, I will share that with Apple developers. Terms and conditions, won't be reading it, but I'll still agree. And there we go, we're on the home screen. So now it's mirroring exactly what my other Apple TV looks like. So Sportsnet, Disney Plus, DAZN, TSN, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Crave, YouTube, all the good stuff. So super easy to set up if you already have an Apple TV. And then if you don't, it's still super easy. You just go into the App Store and download whatever you want. So you can see all of the recommended apps here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the setup of the Apple TV 4K. Like I said, there's not really any huge differences with this Apple TV versus the old one. The main thing is that you're getting a new processor in the Apple TV and a new remote, which you can actually buy this remote and pair it to the old Apple TV if you want as well. I believe it's about $40 at the Apple Store. But yeah, new design for the Apple TV remote, and I'm actually really liking it. It's really ergonomic, it fits well in your hand, you can grip it a lot better. The middle circle here you just use to scroll left, right, up, down. Super easy, and then you can actually use the outer wheel to do that as well. Okay, so you can see all of the screensavers and everything looks super high def. This looks really good. Now obviously it looks amazing on the old Apple TV as well, but this Apple TV I think is going to be a really good investment as years go by, because more HDR content will be coming to the Apple TV and streaming services in the next few years. Right now we're kind of like at the beginning of that, but this Apple TV is going to last a long time because it's going to be able to support those kind of streaming services. So if you guys are in the market to buy a new Apple TV, definitely get this one. But yeah, everything is looking good. The colors are popping. That one's not my favorite, but let's keep going. And we're back to the beginning. Everything is just looking really good. I think, once again, one of the big things about this new Apple TV is this remote, which I have to be completely honest, this thing is awesome. I wasn't 100% on it when it was first revealed, but I definitely like it. The chip inside is also going to be a little bit better, and overall, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. So guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Like I said, it's not really like a huge difference between the last model and this one. You're getting a better processor and also more capability regarding HDR content, along with a brand new remote. But like I said, you can also buy this remote separately and pair it to your old Apple TV. This Apple TV is going to be a good investment considering a lot of streaming services are going to be offering a lot more HDR content, and this is going to be a little bit more capable than the last model. But anyways, I am happy with the purchase and I cannot wait to test this out and play around with it. Leave a comment down below of what you guys think about the brand new Apple TV. Are you a fan of the old remote or the new one? And will you be purchasing it? I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you like and subscribe. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.